Good morning, children. This is Anandi. You are watching the video of Edistar Class 2. In the previous video, we have completed classwork for Lesson 3, Three Friends. Many of you have written well. So, now I am going to give a big clap to you. Okay, children. Today we are going to see grammar in English. Before that, I am going to conduct a small game for you. Kutis, now I am going to say some words to you. You have to act for that. Kutis, இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்க்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மேம் உனக்கு சின்னதாக ஒரு கேம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். இந்த கேமில் மேம் உனக்கு ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டாக சொல்லுவேன். அந்த வேர்டுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நீ ஆக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஆக்ட் பண்ணும்போது நீ உன்னோட பிளேஸில் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும், வேறு எங்கேயும் மூவ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், கிளாஸில் உனக்கு மேம் கேம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணும்போது ரன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா நீ உன் பிளேஸில் நின்றுக்கிட்டே ரன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ணுவேல, அதே மாதிரி தான். இப்போ நான் ஸ்லீப் சொன்னேன் அப்படின்னா உன்னோட 2 கையும் உன்னோட ஷீக்கில் வச்சுட்டு கண்ணை மூடிட்டு ஸ்லீப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ணணும். அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம இப்போவும் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே? ஃபார் ஈச் வேர்ட் I will give 5 seconds for you. Now, let's start the game. First, jump. Kutis, now you stand and jump. Next one, dance. Wow, you are dancing well. Next, run. Kutis, while you are running, you should not make a sound with your foot. Next one, write. Kutis, take your pencil and start write the alphabet. Next one, draw. Now you can draw something. Next one, eat. Kutis, now you have to act like eating. Next one, sit down. Now you can sit in your place. Next, stand up. Everyone get up. Next one, play. Next, sleep. Kutis, now you have to act like sleeping. Next one, brush. Kutis, everyone acting well. Next one, Kutis, now you have to act like kicking a ball. Next one, cry. Next one, walk. Kutis, you have to walk in your place itself. Next one, laugh. Laugh louder. Next one, read. Now take your book and start to read. Then next one, drink. Kutis, now you have to act like drinking water. Next one, clap. Clap louder. Superb, Kutis. Very good. Everyone did well. Now I am going to give a big clap to you. Kutis, you act, jump, dance, run, write, draw, eat, sit, stand, play, kick, walk, and laugh. These words show an action of someone. So, these are called action words. Action words are also known as verbs. Kutis, now do you know what is our today topic? Yes, verbs. Today we are going to study about verbs. Kutis, now I am going to say some action words for you. Cook, swim, watch, talk, bark, dig and fight. These are some action words. Kutties, next we are going to see the verb from the sentences. First sentence, Ramu drives a car. Now tell me kutties, what is the first word? Ramu. Ramu is the name of a person. So it is a noun. What is the next word? Drives. Here drives is a verb. It is an action word. Kutties, verb is very important to the sentence. Without verb, there is no meaning in that sentence. Children, see this sentence. Ramu drives a car. Already I told you here drives is a verb. Now we remove the verb in this sentence. Remaining sentences, Ramu a car. Whether the sentence gives any meaning? No. This is incorrect sentence. Kutties, first sentence la drives அப்படிங்கிறது action word. அதாவது verb. அந்த verb நம்ம அந்த sentenceல இருந்து remove பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா remaining இருக்கிற words என்னது? ராமு a car. இதில் ஏதாவது மீனிங் இருக்கா? இல்லை. அப்போது வெர்ப் இல்லாமல் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகாது. அது கம்ப்ளீட் மீனிங் கொடுக்காது. இப்போ புரிஞ்சுதா? நெக்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ், ஐ கோ டு த பார்க். குட்டீஸ், இன் திஸ் சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் இஸ் ஐ. ஐ இஸ் அ ப்ரனவுன். செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் கோ. கோ இஸ் அ verb. Kutties, from the next sentence, you are only going to find out the verb. Okay? Maya prepares coffee. Kutties, in this sentence, you only going to find out the verb. Now tell me, which one is verb here? Yes, very good. Prepares. Prepare is a verb. It is an action word. Next sentence, the sun shines brightly. Tell me children, in this sentence, which one is a verb? Yes, very good. Shines. Shines is a verb. Next sentence, I walk to school every day. In this sentence, which one is a verb children? Yes, very good. Walk. Walk is an action word. It is a verb. Next sentence, the film starts at 12 p.m. Now tell me children, here which one is a verb? Yes, starts. Starts is a verb. Next sentence, Rahul lives in a village. Kutties, now tell me which is the action word in this sentence? Very good. Lives. Lives is an action word. It is a verb. Next sentence, Kavi buys vegetable. Here, which one is the verb children? Very good. Buys. Buys is a verb. It is an action word. Kutties, I hope you know very well to find the verb in the sentence. Children, now I am going to revise singular and plural. Kutties, do you know what is meant by singular? Singular means one. Only one noun. Kutties, already you know what is meant by noun. Noun means name of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay. Now, singular means only one noun. Okay. What is meant by plural? Plural means many. That means two or more than two nouns. Okay. Okay, kutties. Now we are going to see how will you use the verb in the sentence. First one is, the cat drinks the milk. Kutties, in this sentence, the cat is a noun. Now tell me, is this singular or plural? Very good. Singular. Noun singular means we have to add yes to the verb. Then only the sentence will be correct. So here the cat is singular. We have to add yes to the verb. So the correct sentence is the cat drinks the milk. The next sentence is the birds fly in the sky. Kutis, now tell me in this sentence which is noun? Very good. The birds. Here the birds is a noun. This is plural form. Okay. Kutis, the noun is singular means we have to add yes to the verb. But here the noun is plural. What will we do, Kutis? Here we have to write the verb as it is. No need to add anything. Write verb alone. So the correct sentence is the birds fly in the sky. The next sentence is shiny dash in the room. The verb is clean. Children, first you have to check the noun whether it is singular or plural. Now tell me, is this singular or plural? Very good. Singular. Shiny is the name of a girl. Noun singular means we have to add yes to the verb. So here the answer is cleans. Shiny cleans the room. Next sentence. Ducks dash in the water. The verb is swim. Now we have to check the noun whether it is singular or plural. Ducks is a plural form. So we have to write the verb as it is. No need to add anything to the verb. Here the answer is swim. Ducks swim in the water. Next sentence. The ships dash in the sea. The verb is sail. Here the noun is ships. Is this singular or plural? Very good. Plural. The noun is plural means no need to add anything to the verb. We have to write the verb as it is. Here the answer is sail. The ships sail in the sea. Next one. The teacher dash on the board. The verb is write. Children, first you have to check the noun whether it is singular or plural. Now tell me, the teacher, is this singular noun or plural noun? Very good. Singular noun. The noun is singular means we have to add yes to the verb. So the answer is writes. The teacher writes on the board. Next sentence. Madhu dash an apple. Here the verb is eat. Children, first we have to check the noun whether it is singular or plural. Here the noun is Madhu. Madhu is a name of a girl. So it is singular noun. The noun is singular means we have to add yes to the verb. So the answer is eats. Madhu eats an apple. Next sentence is we dash television. Here the verb is watch. Children, first check the noun whether it is singular or plural. Children, already I told you we use pronoun in the place of noun. Here we is a pronoun. Whether it is singular pronoun or plural pronoun? Very good. Plural pronoun. So the noun or pronoun plural means no need to add anything to the verb. Here the answer is watch. We watch television. Kutis, from today onward we are going to add new part in our videos. That is BCS. Kutis, do you know what is meant by BCS? BCS means Basic Conversation Skill. Weekly 3 days we are going to study BCS. Kutis, after school reopen, you have to talk only in English with your teacher or your friend. Now you are in holidays. Maybe you forget how to talk in English fluently. So from today onward, teachers going to give practice to you how to talk in English fluently. Okay. Children, if you are going to any function or else anywhere with your parents, you will meet your relatives and elders and they will ask many simple questions to you. That simple questions only now we are going to see. Normally, first, what question they will ask? Any guess, cuties? Yes, very good. What is your name? For example, if your name is Shobana, you have to reply to them, my name is Shobana, or else I am Shobana. Okay? How to reply? My name is Shobana or I am Shobana. It's clear, cuties? Okay. Next question, how old are you? That means asking your age. Mostly second standard students only 7 years old, maybe 1 or 2 students 8 years old. So now we have to reply them, I am 7 years old. That means your age is 7. Next question, which class are you studying in? Cuties, you are studying in second standard only, isn't it? So, you have to reply, I am studying in second standard. Okay. Dear parents, kindly make your word to write BCS in rough note and give practice to them every day. Cuties, simple conversations you have to talk in English with your parents or siblings. Okay, cuties, I will meet you in the next video. Bye.